How's it going, everyone? Welcome to week 5 of the course. You probably noticed that yesterday evening I graded a few items and also posted an announcement about your midterm grades. One of the funny things about these Flex 2 courses is midterm grades are due really, really quick. And in our case, before we were actually able to have our midterm exam and get a few of the labs graded that I would have liked to grade. So just see that announcement for further details regarding how your midterm grade was computed. It was based on the 3 discussion boards that I had graded before I submitted the midterms, along with homework 1 and lab 1. So you still have quite a bit of outstanding work, both that's not graded, lab 2 and lab 3, which is technically due at the end of this week, along with homework 2, which is your exam 1 review. But most importantly, you have the exam, which will be this week. So you'll notice in the checklist that that's going to be our main focus. If I were you, I'd knock out lab 3. It was posted at the end of last week, but remember, it's actually due at the end of this week. So if you can't find where lab 3 is, go back to the week 4 module. Also notice that we'll have our first exam this week. There's a time portion, 45 minutes, which you'll take in Canvas. Make sure to not start it until you're ready to complete it, because once you've started it, you won't be able to restart it. And then in addition, there's a take-home portion that's going to feel pretty similar to Lab 2. Basically, what you're going to do for that is download the Word document, just fill in all the answers. You will be required to do a function block diagram, so feel free to take care of that however you want. If you have the capability to draw electronically, if you have some type of touchscreen device, feel free to do that. Or if you just want to draw on a piece of paper, take a picture and insert the image into the Word document, that's fine as well. So after you wrap up Lab 3 and these 2 exams, remember that we were supposed to have a lecture, conditional execution in MATLAB posted last week. Sorry, we fell a little bit behind. It was supposed to be up on Friday, but I will get that up. I think I put in by the 19th tomorrow, but I'll try to have it up a day early just in case any of you are really ambitious and want to knock out these 3 deliverables. And then we will have a lab this week on conditional execution as well. In conditional execution, I'm sure you all are familiar with it, is the idea that all the scripts that we've written up until now, we have a bunch of commands kind of sequenced after one another. And the way that the interpreter works is it just executes every command in order, and it executes all of them. So we're going to talk about ways in which you can control the execution conditionally of particular code blocks within your code. And that is done using if statements. We'll also introduce while loops and for loops in this lecture 5. So good luck on the exam. Please reach out if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you all soon.